Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to upload this real quick because it's really funny. I was looking through some videos today, and I was looking at this Vision Victory Cat's videos. I've seen some of his videos before, but I generally don't pay a ton of attention to all the gold and silver videos. I mean, I've done them myself, and I've said what I think about it. You know, Now I see all these comments on this guy's videos, and it's just cracking me up. Everybody's over there writing how you guys told me to buy this gold and silver and it hadn't done nothing, and you guys all told me that it was going up and I should have bought Apple stock instead. Well, first of all, if people are saying that, you don't get the reason. You never did get the reason to begin with why you should, probably hold some precious metals around. It's not to make money in dollars. That's completely the opposite of what the point is. You buy some gold and silver and sock it away to guard against a currency collapse, right? It's the whole point. Well, so now people are mad because what? They saw that they pumped up the stock markets and they should have been in that to make more money. Well, there's no change in a damn sheeple. There's no change in it. I mean, I wrote back to a couple of those people, and nobody's stopping you from buying stocks. Go ahead and buy freaking stocks. Go ahead. Because if you're all upset right now about what gold and silver is priced at in dollars, then you're really going to be upset later. And you're not going to be able to handle what's coming later anyway. What's going to happen when they probably make it illegal to hold it? What if they say after a little while here that if you want to turn that in, you're going to have a huge tax on it, on any transaction, or just make it outright illegal to trade it anyway? It's like I said in my old videos, it's for after they get done monetizing the debt here, and that's what they're doing. That's all they're doing with all this Fed stuff. I know there's tens and 20 articles every day about what they're doing today and, well, what's the Fed doing now, and they're monetizing the debt. It's the last act of every failed empire and every failed currency out there. That's what they do. You go forth and you monetize the debt. Um, I've been making a point of that a lot lately over on places like Zero Hedge and all these articles, and people are discussing stuff and what they're doing. I say, bottom line, all they're doing, they're monetizing the debt. Now you can take it for what it's worth. How much more will they do? What's the timeline? Who knows? But they've already done a ton. They've already done 20 some trillion worth of buying bonds and stocks and all this. And it's the reason I put out these videos going back like a year or more ago on gold and silver, because everybody had out these videos and silver was maybe like 40 bucks, and everybody was out, oh, you got to buy all the gold and silver you can right now, because before the year end, it's going to be like gold's going to be like 5,000 and all this, 10, 20,000 and all this. And I said, oh, don't be too sure about it. These guys are going to do everything they can do to keep gold and silver down. There's no question about that. And if you're easily upset that you're not making like what, $5 in silver every day, it's not the place to be then. But I'm definitely not going to argue with anybody who says they want to go and put their money in the stock market. Hey, go for it. Go invest in the stock market. You'll be killed one morning too, and then when the stock market's down 1,000 points one of these mornings, and the Dow starts heading down to 6,000 again and all this, I'll be, oh man, I wish I had my gold and silver back now. Geez, what an idiot I am. So, man, people, I tell you, I just see those comments and it's like, this is everything I said. Now you're coming back to me and saying, oh yeah, well, you told me to buy this and now I'm upset because I don't have my dollars. For crying out loud. I mean, I got into all kinds of fights back in those videos. My gold and silver videos, go look at the comments in those. People call me an idiot and all. What do you mean? What? No, silver's definitely going to be $100 by the end of the year. That's guaranteed. I read an article. I saw a video on it just now. I said, oh, don't be too sure about that. All I can do is just warn you. I mean, they're going to do everything they can do to keep that down in a range. and they're going to screw over all the, the silver longs that they can in the paper market. Yeah, I've explained it enough. I mean, I know you guys know, but go check out this video of Vision Victor. It's a pretty good, it's a good video in itself, but the people commenting on this video, they're mad at him because they bought gold and it hadn't done anything, or silver, and it hadn't done anything in the last year or 2 years, and they should have bought Apple stock, and then they'd be rich today. I talk about not getting the point whatsoever at all. Jeez. But I think I've made, my point in this. And if you have gold and silver, I mean, you shouldn't be looking at the 5-minute chart of gold and silver if you own it. Jeez. It'd just drive yourself crazy. I was warning about that 2 years ago. But anyway, I guess that's about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.